मेघ मुखे अधपतन उत्काचे देखोनी जान। अध पाते निवती जन अन्नदान सकलांसी। तैसे योगियांसी खालूते येने जे इह लोकी जन्म पावने। जन निव वी श्रवण कीर्तने निज ज्ञाने उद्धरी। Water satisfies only the tongue. Yogi comforts or soothes all the senses. Utkachi je madhurta, sweetness of the water. Utkachi je madhurta, te rasni sichi, related to tongue. Tatvata, tatvata, really, in truth, actually. योगियांचे गोडपण पाहता, योगियांचे गोडपण पाहता होय निवविता संवेद्रिया. Satisfies, nivvita, satisfies all the senses, samvedriya. Clouds bring rainwater and food grains grow when it rains. People rejoice at the sight of the rain. Likewise, when a yogi is born in this world, the people who listen to him get uplifted. Megh mukhe adapatan, clouds from the mouth of clouds. Megh is clouds, mukhe mouth. Megh mukhe adapatan, downfall, when it falls down. Adapatan, utkache dekhoni jaan, when the people of this earth, when you see the rainwater coming from the clouds, by realizing that it's raining, they have life, they feel happy, they feel uplifted. Adapate nivati jan, annadan sakalansi, to everyone, sakalansi, everyone. Annadan is food grain. So when the water falls from the clouds, adapate nivati jan, all the people feel happy. Nivati jan. Same way, tase yogiyansi khalute yene. Same way, tase yogiyansi khalute yene je ihaloki janam pavne निज ज्ञाने उद्धारी. जन निवि श्रवण कीर्तने, जन निवि श्रवण कीर्तने निज ज्ञाने उद्धारी. So, as the yogiya comes to this earth, or when a yogi is born, khaluni yene is when the yogiya is born in this world, in our times. Je ihaloki janam pavni, when he is born in our times, we are uplifted. Jan nivi shravana kirtine, jan nivi, everyone is uplifted by the shravan kirtine, devotional songs or speech of the yogi. Nij jnane uddhari, so everyone is lifted up. They have self-realization because of the speech of the yogi.